There is many reasons of the charging of the vessels. Okay, one time, for 1 year, we were like discussing that with the Rabbi when I was learning with him. I was also teaching there in that period of time because it was like after like 7 years that I was learning there. So, but anyhow, there was like a long classes that were discussing the different reasons that the Arizal brings to the chartering of the vessels. So one of them is that there was lack of connection between the Sfirot in the Nekudim. That's one reason. But then there's other reasons of that within the creation of the spectrum of the world, Nekudim. So there was also okay, I don't want to bring like advanced concepts, but I'll just mention it without explaining so much about it. There is a concept that is called Shach Dinim, which is like 320 judgments that are coming into effect with that process of the creation, and that's another reason. That's one of the reasons that Arizal is mentioning about the shattering of the vessels, that they had those judgments within them. And there's others. Okay, there's others. B'ezrat Hashem, we'll get there. We'll discuss it in length. But the point of the matter is that we need to find a reason of the shattering of the vessels that will be meaningful to us when we're trying to fix that breakdown. Okay, so that's the main reason that I saw with this connection of the Sfirot, because that's something that is very, very practical for us in our work. But to say the truth, to be honest, the main reason that is accepted in the world of like what is known as the reason of the breakdown of vessels is not that. What everybody is speaking about, concentrating about, is that the light came and the vessel could not hold that amount of light, so they broke down. Okay, but obviously that's not enough of a reasoning, because like why didn't they were able to hold that light? If that's the the light is coming to that vessel, especially you have like somebody have like a guest coming that is coming specially for him, and he cannot host him, so like it doesn't make sense, like something is not organized. Obviously there is a reason behind it. Okay, so what's the deep reason? What is the like secret behind the breakdown of vessels? That's something very advanced. But B'ezrat Hashem, one day we'll get there as well. That's the end of the Etzchim. After all of the introduction of the Kabbalah, we'll get there, B'ezrat Hashem.